Students, I hope you all are well. So today we will start a new lesson, chapter 1 from civics, democracy. So it is a lesson about a popular power system of the world which exists in most of the countries of the world. In India too we have democracy. Okay. So in this lesson we will learn about meaning of democracy, means what do democracy implies, then emergence of democracy in modern societies, then how in modern societies democracy emerged, about the evolution story of democracy. Then we will learn about different power systems of the world. We have also some other power systems like authoritarian government, monarchy. Okay, those also we are going to learn. Then we will learn about main thrust of democracy, then what are the elements, what are the basis of democracy, then elements of popularity of democracy, then what are the elements which popularize democracy. Okay, these things we are going to learn in this chapter. So let's begin. So meaning of democracy. So at first, what is democracy? The word democracy is a Greek word. Okay, is a Greek word and it is derived from two words which are demos. Demos means people and kratos. Kratos means rule or government. So etymologically we can say that democracy is a government of the people. Okay, democracy is a kind of government which is run by the people. So see, together it means people's rule. So democracy in simple words we can say people's rule. In a democracy, people have the power to choose their representatives. So we have the right to choose our own representatives. The most important feature of democracy is that the rules are made by the people themselves through their elected representatives or leaders. So India is a democracy and we see that our laws, our decisions are made by the government, and that government is made by whom? That government is made by the elected members or elected representative of us. Okay. So they can take part in the process of governance directly or through their elected leaders. So indirectly we are governing us. Okay, we choose our representatives, and those representatives which we have chosen, they make laws for us for the benefit of us. Okay. US President, 16th US President Abraham Lincoln, he said, he defined democracy as democracy is a government of the people, by the people and for the people. So by saying this, he said that he wanted to express that democracy is such type of government which is formed of the people, and those people whom we have elected, they form the government and they run the government. And they run the government for whom? For us. Okay, for the other people of the society or state. So democracy is a very good type of government according to him, as it is directly ruled by the people. Now we have read democracy. Democracy means a type of government which is run by the people. Then the word democracy is derived from two Greek words, demos meaning people and kratos meaning rule or government. Then US President defined democracy as democracy is a government of the people, by the people and for the people. So this much for today. In my next class we will learn about the emergence of democracy in modern societies, and that I will explain you in Google Meet. Thank you.